Welcome back to News Night. Let's bring you more stories. And the acting president of the Ga Traditional Council, Ni Adote Otinto, and the Accra Metropolitan Chief Executive, Mohammed J. Sowa, began a decongestion and cleanup exercise in Accra Central ahead of the annual HOMOWO festival. The exercise, according to the two leaders, is in a bid to instill discipline in residents and to ensure improved sanitation, warning of a further clampdown on structures on pavement, drains on the streets.
Come out to MASHIE clean up. Beni him back come out to Kuna was Sancho na mamlandom back out to. Hey, all of you, wake up.
I follow Butamoshi Tolo, Telemo, da 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 da, da da da,
Chionecoma,
Telemo,
Vivi Cola, Telemo,
Telemo. The cleanup and decongestion exercise within the Ododo constituency started at dawn across areas like Sempe, Akamajin, and Alata within Jamestown, and Bese, Abola, Asre, and Otublo Hum within Dutch Accra. The exercise included the silting of drains, collection of refuse, and clearing of structures on streets and waterways. The Accra Metropolitan Chief Executive, Mohammed J. Sowa, explained that the cleanup exercises alone are not adequate to make Accra the cleanest city in Africa, as President Akufo-Addo had envisioned. He mentioned that the next line of action will be the enforcement of sanitation bylaws and intensification of sensitization drives to bring about behavioral change in keeping the surroundings clean.
Nobody should sell on the road. People have even turned the road as an extension of their kitchen, and some even as an extension of their sleeping place. We can't look on unconcerned about these things, and for that matter, we will continue to do so. And if anybody dares us, we will continue to enforce the law.
Acting president of the Traditional Council, Ni Adote Otinto II, and the Bese Manche, Nia Ibonte II, bemoaned the apathy of some residents towards the exercise and stressed that to make Accra the cleanest city, it takes a collective effort and a sense of responsibility.
Sanity, eba, ni tobini chanya
okay. No come mine. What's here? To be not sure Bible ye some to me like what's here. See me come here. Ni provoke they are very stubbornness. Yeah. I'm here stubborn. Yeah. Ni abifa ka me boom la. Ni mla ka maye.
Yeah. Musician Odate Milalamte with the showbiz name Gasmila used music to sensitize residents on the need to support the initiative.
I've dropped Fale Fale already, which featured All Stars, and I'm yet to drop a new one called Namono. Okay. You know, because this land belongs to me and you. Accra or Ghana being successful or being beautiful affects both me and you. If it's dirty, it affects both me and you. So Namono means who does this land belong to? It belongs to me and you both. So together we have to clean it and make it what we need it to be. Shikpo Namono,
wo no shikpo Namono, wo no namo ya wa
Au ewa wenu tomo ashishi bankwe.
Hey, I just can't wait for this. Other authorities committed to sustain the sanitation campaign. Participating institutions included the Traditional Council, Accra Metropolitan Assembly, Zoom Lion Ghana Limited, and the Graphic Communications Group. From MASHIE in Accra, this is Gabriel Ni Obodai Togwa Ashon reporting for Metro News.